What is going on, YouTube? KEN.USD coming to y'all once again with another video. Today's will actually be my very first live trading video. We were able to make around $4,200 yesterday on YM or US 30, Dow Jones Futures, whatever you want to call it. We were able to do this on a 250K challenge account with Apextraderfunding. Now, like I said, this footage was pulled directly from my live stream. So we're live every day, every weekday from 8:30 Central until we make money, lose money, or call it a day. Now, if at any point in this footage you get a little confused because anything that I say, just know this is not a trade breakdown. I'm not breaking down everything that I saw in order for this trade to make sense. I'm just showing y'all the trade, me sitting through drawdown, I wasn't in any drawdown in this trade, but I was sitting in a range for a while. I came back up to break even, and then we eventually did what we had to do. But just keep in mind, not a trade breakdown. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. If you want a trade breakdown, I would be happy to make one. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know the deal. It doesn't take no food off the table. Doesn't take any money out your trading account. Doesn't take any prop firm challenges out your hands. So why not? I'll see y'all at the end though. Yeah! Alright, let's see. It's a basic unicorn setup. See an order block on the 1 minute. We see an order block on the 3 minute. Not one that overlaps on the 5. But we have a push breaking the order block, leaving a fair value gap. Came back into 50% of the fair value gap. Had my entry at 50%. Stops above the candle that left the gap. Now I do have to affirm on this 1 minute that we break through this last 1 minute fair value gap before I could be a little bit more comfortable in the trade. Now it's just like if we break these highs at this point, we have no reason to. So stops at break even. Unless I were to want to trust the rest of this range, or not this range, but this fair value gap, because we do still have gap up here that we could fill before going down. It's a couple things that we could do, but that's not really what I wanted to see off that fair value gap. So now we stack gaps because we're technically stuck in between these two gaps. We'll see what type of reaction we get right here though. Initially a good reaction, and it's later on in the candle. Not like that's a 10 seconds in type of reaction. That's like a 10 seconds left type of reaction. So we close respecting, that'll be good. We close because realistically this gap moves down to here since it's already been tapped into. So both gaps did get respected at the end of the day, but our candle's opening up bullish right now, or that one just did. So we are expecting some bearish momentum coming out of the candle. Even the most simplest thing, as far as me just telling myself, hey, price action is bearish right now, it helps because I'm not really too much worried about the smaller things that's going on. Because when I'm in a trade and things start to get disrespected on the 1 minute, I just scale out and see what's really going on. Trying to be as realistic as possible and as level-headed as possible. Now with where I'm at right now, we are on a Friday with no news. We're stuck between two gaps. My original bias for the day was buys once we tapped into the level that we tapped into. And I'm in sells right now. contradict your yes. But we're about to find out pretty soon here if I should even be in this trade at all. Same way we can sit in profit is the same way that we can sit in drawdown. I have about 900 bucks at risk on this trade. And yeah, man, I'm bearish right now. I woke up bullish, and we're stuck in between a bearish and a bullish fair value gap right now. And whichever way we break out of here will 9 times out of 10 decide direction for the rest of the day, if I'm just being honest. So hopefully we get a good push out of here. Some numbers I haven't seen today. Yep. Good push. Keep it going. Now that just broke my high of this trade. As y'all can see, I did try to enter a little bit early on the breakout of this range. So we had this order block candle, or this order block representation. And I just played the breakout to the downside. We ended up coming back up. Needed some more liquidity before we start going down. I looked up, seeing I missed the unicorn. A super simple setup that I take. And yeah, we got in it when we got in it. Now it's just a matter of, we broke this fair value gap. Now we have this resistance. Okay. Now that we have this resistance, and we haven't tapped back into this fair value gap, this inverse fair value gap now. But that's what we just got. We should get a pretty good rejection wick off of it. Unless we want to go, this is structure, higher high, higher low, and higher high. It's always two ways to see what's going on actively in the charts, because it's always somebody that might be in buys. It's always somebody that might be in sales. At the same time, you're in the opposite thing. I'm sure people are in buys off of this break. I'm sure people are in buys off this momentum candle. It's just a lot of shit these days, man. Market will fake you out, take your money, and not look back. They're definitely playing around here. Now my thoughts are starting to become, what could we be doing? At this point, we just fought to the bottom of the range. Yeah, at this point, we just fought to the bottom of the range. And then now we're on the way back up to the top of the range, it looks like. Yeah, I definitely don't want to get antsy. I don't want to close early. But I definitely don't want to lose any money. With the time that it is right now, being that it's almost 10, stops, I guess, could go to break even though I don't like the concept of moving my stops to break even. Because, okay, so say I do move my stops to break even. You can see price action. On the 3-minute, that's where it's the most clear. In this trade, on today's trade. So we had this major push. Yeah. And we still, our gap has not been filled completely. We still have all of this. Obviously, this could be some type of double bottom or whatever. But I'm bearish, dog. Definitely see very, very soon what the market wants to do, what it's been trying to do, what its true intentions are. We will know very soon that we will. And it's like, this is just a beautiful candle. Still, anything could happen in this candle because we just tapped into a fair value gap. But where we got the rejection at, and the way that we just closed, and the way that hella people got stopped out right here, stops above this liquidity with a gap right above, people will still put their stops right there. I knew that was gonna happen. I was like, hold on, bro. We ain't got no top wick. I was eyeing the fuck out that candle, bro. Once we break this low, I can chill. But it's like NQ just did some crazy shit. I'm just hoping I'm just hoping these folks don't fuck around and do the same thing. That is you saying. Give us that push out of there. We worked for this. We have been putting in that grind. We worked for this. Hey, use this line. Target this line. The same way y'all be trying to, you feel me? Target my stop loss and whatnot. Target that black line for me. Let's see what that looks like. You feel me? Target where I could chill at. Because I've been in this trade for a little bit too long. Not gonna lie. For the type of trade I was expecting it to be, like, I don't mind sitting through trades, but I was expecting this one to be a quick little zip down to here. This is my TP. This is where I could, like, chill a little bit. Like, you feel me? Take a load off, like, move my stop loss somewhere in profit or somewhere near break even. Like, I could chill. Oh, but can we get down there? Are we gonna keep playing? There we. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. I want to push down to here though. 45.45. Is that a closure below the line? Yes, it is. Is that stops up here now? Yes, it is. We're now risk free on this trade. As y'all can see, up around 3,000. I'm gonna go back to the 3-minute just so I can mark out my original entry. So I'm here, and I have my stops just above there. So TP right here. So that's about a 1 to 4. The type of trade I was expecting today. I mean, not today, but earlier. I was expecting to break out of this range and just go straight down, but it's a lot of other things to consider, and it's always more setups on the screen than just the setup you're taking. Always. Someone else could find a way to make money on that same exact chart you're using. Guarantee it. And get a retest of this low is all I'm willing to let the market do. Is retest that low before hitting TP. Like I said, once my TP gets hit, we will close full. I was risking like 900, or I was risking 960 on this trade. As you can see, we're super, super close to where we're trying to get to. We'll probably get a top wick here, and then an aggressive flip of that wick will take us to TP. Let's go ahead and hit that TP, man. Close these charts out for the day, man. No way we get that close, right? I'm just trying to chill today, win me a trade. Sometimes you gotta sweet talk the charts. even they though don't listen, you're really just sweet talking yourself into believing in your setup. You have to sweet talk the charts and fully believe in your setup, not only before you take it, but as you're in it. Once you're out of it, like you can't beat yourself up. Like in the sense, you can't beat yourself up about any L. You can't overhype any W. It's like you got to be as level-headed and macho as you possibly can with this trading shit. This is right around where we should be getting a rejection at. Right off the previous low. It's just like that close to my TP is almost dumb not to close, but I still find it dumber to close early. Not looking good. It's about the closest thing I'll get to a retest. And it's crazy how fast I go from not looking good to about to put my finger on the mouse and get ready to close this trade for full fucking profit. It's just crazy. Like, bro, I don't want to see shit like that right now, bro. Not gonna lie. And that's your last line of defense. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. That's your last line of defense, my nigga. If you don't hit TP before you break that fair value gap, I'm closing. Simple. Simple. It's like, come on. I dare you to try me YM. I dare you to test my gangster. I'll close the fuck out of this trade. Watch. I know it won't affect you. It won't affect me either. I'm up in profit at the end of the day. But shit, just saying. There we go. That is full TP hit. Literally down to the T. To the T. And we're not doing this. And we immediately get a rejection. There we go. Okay. So we immediately get a rejection off of my line. Obviously, we're probably going to continue to shoot down, but I got my 1 to 4.65. Yeah. Feels good catching this trade on live. Truly does feel good catching this trade on live, buddy. So that definitely wraps up the video, the live trade at least, as well as the stream. Speaking of the stream, make sure if you're on YouTube watching this video that you tap in with me at 8:30 Central Time every day or every weekday. I will be live streaming just as I am now when I caught this trade. I catch trades every single day of the week. I don't catch trades every single day of the week, but I'm actively looking for trades on stream with my viewers every single day of the week from 8:30 Central until I made money, lost money, or called it a day. So, yeah, stream and YT. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Doesn't take any food off the table. Doesn't take any trading money out your trading account. Doesn't take any prop firm challenges out your hands. You still have free reign to do anything and everything that you want. So make sure you hit those few buttons for me. Means a lot. Till next time.